In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to split text to columns in Google Sheets. Start by opening your Google Sheets document and selecting the cells that contain the text you want to split. You can highlight a single cell, a specific range, or even an entire column if all the entries follow the same pattern. Before you continue, make sure there's enough empty space to the right of your selection because the split will place new pieces of data into adjacent columns. If you're unsure, a quick undo is always available, so don't worry if you need to try it more than once. With your cells selected, go to the top toolbar and click the Data menu. From the drop-down, choose Split Text to Columns. As soon as you select this option, you'll see a small separator menu appear at the bottom of your selected cells. This is where you control exactly how Google Sheets splits your text. Open that separator menu and choose the character that divides your data. Common choices include comma, space, and semicolon. For example, names like first last usually split cleanly with a space, while lists or CSV-style data typically use a comma. If your text uses something less common, like a pipe symbol, a hyphen, or another specific character, pick the custom option and type that character in. Be thoughtful here. If you choose a separator that also appears inside your actual words, you might split more than you intend. Once the separator is set, the text will instantly split into separate columns based on your choice. Each time the separator appears in a cell, Sheets creates a new column to the right for the next piece. You may notice numbers and dates reformat automatically. That's normal and can make sorting or calculations easier. If any existing content sits immediately to the right, it could be pushed or replaced, so make sure you've planned for that. To finish up, adjust your column widths so everything is easy to read. Hover over the boundary between column letters until you see the resize cursor, then drag to widen or narrow as needed. If you want a quick fit, double-click the boundary and Sheets will auto-size based on the longest value in that column. And that's it. Open your sheet and selection, use data, split text to columns, choose your separator, let Sheets do the work, and tidy up the column widths. If the result isn't what you expected, simply undo, pick a different separator, and try again until the data lines up just right.